The digital world is growing more complex by the day. Cybercrime is on the rise. How we deal with digital data is changing. Personal data is now valuable, and your personal data can be misused, so it's vital we handle it with care. In order to get to grips with the challenge, Europe has developed the General Data Protection Regulation and eIDAS to protect data privacy and empower all EU citizens. In order to satisfy the new laws and regulations, organizations will add new locks to their applications to verify digital identities so that your personal data gets the best protection possible. Isn't it easier to connect people and data using a single system? With a single lock for all users and extra security such as biometrics. That's handy, as only you carry that with you. A single central system helps us to verify identities more effectively. That's why Unisys came up with the Validation Factory. With this framework, we prevent fraud. We manage identity processes centrally. We facilitate interoperability, and we satisfy the relevant laws and regulations. Okay, that all sounds good, but how does it work in practice? We create an inseparable link between your identity and your smartphone. Since it's via your smartphone, we can identify your face. This is cross-referenced with reliable ID like your passport or driver's license, so we can check that you really are who you say you are, and that's a whole lot more secure. The Unisys Validation Factory makes connecting people, things, and data safer and easier.